I'm the research director of the Brain Tumor Center within the Siteman Cancer Center and the Washington University School of Medicine. As the director of research, I'm building basically a research infrastructure for the Brain Tumor Center. Cancer in general affects almost every one of us. And in my family, unfortunately, my grandmother was diagnosed with breast cancer that then metastasized to the brain. So I really experienced firsthand what it really means to get a diagnosis of a malignant brain tumor. I think it takes a tremendous toll on the patient. It takes a tremendous toll on the family and the friends that take care of this patient. And really witnessing this firsthand really instilled in me the desire to do something about this disease. So during my training, I worked in laboratories that had a focus on really understanding the fundamental aspects of brain tumors. And then over the course of my career, I really made it my mission to not only understand the fundamental of the biology of these tumors, but also to develop novel therapeutic concepts that in the end benefit the patient. Research in general is critically important for patient care, in particular when we're talking about a disease such as malignant brain tumors or in its most malignant presentation, glioblastoma. This is really a cancer type where we have very limited treatment options, where chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and even now immunotherapy have very limited benefit for the patient. It makes it even more important to really think outside the box, really try to understand the fundamental biology of these tumor types. Why is it that they progress so rapidly? Why is it that they display such an enormous level of resistance to therapy? And really try to develop novel treatment concepts, novel technologies in order to, for example, remove a brain tumor, novel technologies to deliver drugs to the tumor, into the brain. These are just really important aspects of research that we have to follow up on in order to really make an impact here. I think what makes the Brain Tumor Center unique are really three things. Number one, the people, the talent that we have. I think it is an extraordinary group of folks that really bring enormous expertise in really fundamental science, translational science, as well as clinical research. The second aspect that makes the Brain Tumor Center unique is the infrastructure. It is really deeply intertwined with the Siteman Cancer Center, with the Washington University School of Medicine, and really leveraging enormous expertise in many different areas, such as immunology, as well as genomics. So we really try to leverage this expertise and really integrate it into our own Brain Tumor Center research program. And the third really is our research. I think we have very unique fundamental research going on, and most importantly, what we're really focused on is translating discoveries that have been made in the laboratory into unique early phase clinical trials. And establishing this infrastructure, having this infrastructure in place, I think is a very distinguishing factor that we have here at the BTC. I think there are a lot of exciting new initiatives, new research in the area of clinical research. For example, we have, in the context of brain tumors, surgical technology, novel surgical techniques that, for example, allow us to remove brain tumors using laser therapy, for example. So it's a non-invasive way by which we can actually ablate tumor cells. We have very exciting technologies such as ultrasound technology now in place that allows us to temporarily open up the blood-brain barrier. So this is a very robust biological barrier that prevents drugs from actually accessing the brain and the brain tumor. So utilizing this technology, we, for example, can increase the drug level in the brain tumor and make drugs simply more effective. In addition to that, we have advanced imaging technologies. We have strategies in place now in clinical testing that allows us, hopefully down the line, to diagnose brain tumors early on. And we have simply novel treatment concepts now also in clinical testing, for example, using nanotechnologies that allow us to really think outside the box in terms of drug delivery to the brain. These structures have very fundamentally different properties in comparison to conventional therapeutics. And it really allows us, for example, to engage specific cancer-causing pathways more effectively than conventional therapies can. I think what we hope to achieve is really be at the forefront of innovation in this space. I think we know that conventional therapeutics simply have very limited treatment benefit. And it really makes it even more important to really think outside the box, think about novel technology, think about novel approaches to really make a dent into this disease. And my hope is that the Brain Tumor Center at the Siteman Cancer Center really is a key protagonist in this field that really moves the bar on a daily basis.